Hi guys, welcome back to my tutorial. Today we'll be teaching you how to cut a short skirt. I'll be cutting the front and back together. So I've marked 1 inch for the zipper allowance for the back. I'm just going to fold it. Then I'll mark my skirt length. You know your skirt length, you mark it. I'm just going to mark it the other side and connect the lines. So this pattern will serve for the front and the back. I just want to use one pattern to cut both of them. So measure your waistline to your hip line. From your waist to your hip line, that's what I'm marking. I marked mine. Your waist to your hip. I'm just going to connect it like that. Then I will label it, the waist, the hip, and the skirt length. So I'm going to mark my waist circumference divided by 4, and you add 1.5 inch allowance. Your waist circumference, your hip circumference divided by 4 plus 1.5 sewing allowance. Then in your knee line, that's your skirt length, you minus 1.5 from your hip circumference. Then I'm going to connect it with freehand, but if you have a ruler, you do that. Connect your waist to your hip. I'm blending it and marking out the line so that you will see it clearly. I'm connecting the 1.5 inch that I added for my sewing allowance. You can just do this straight on your fabric. It mustn't be on a pattern paper. So just mark it straight on your fabric and you are good to go. So if you want to cut for the back, that's the zipper allowance. If you are using pattern drafting, after drafting, you just place it like this and cut the back. But if you want to cut for the front, you have to fold the zipper allowance and cut on fold. I'm just adding the hem in allowance. I'm adding 1 inch to turn it to hem the lower part of the skirt. I'm sorry, this thing did not show. I didn't know it wasn't showing. So that's it. I'm just blending the line for easy cutting. Like I said earlier, this serves for the front and the back pieces. Fold it like this for the front, then cut on fold. Fold your material and cut on fold. Then while sewing, you mark 1.5 inches like I'm showing you. Just sew like that and you have a perfect skirt size for yourself. So I'm just going to cut. Watch as I cut. I'm going to fold and cut. Just do it like this on your fabric, directly on your fabric. You are safe. You are safe. So the next thing is the band. I'm just going to fold this 2 inches. Fold it 2 inches on fold, and you add 5 inches to your waist circumference for your band. To cover your band, just add 5 inches. 5 inches plus your waist circumference. Then you cut 2 inches on fold. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. See you next time. Please make sure you subscribe. Bye.